Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a second definition which is given by Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall definition is also known as welfare definition, my dear student, because Alfred Marshall was the first person who gave more priority of this economic subject, because he was the first person who think that economics is concerned about the welfare aspects. So let's see what Alfred Marshall told. Alfred Marshall told about economics is the study of mankind in ordinary business of life. My dear student, mankind of in the ordinary business of life. What is the ordinary business of life? First you have to understand every human being, there are different aspects in our day-to-day life. Either they have a political, religious, social, and other aspects. It means you can say every person is connected with the socially. But Alfred Marshall told about what? Let's see the different features of Alfred Marshall definitions. The first features was that study of mankind. Mankind is that Alfred Marshall more focus on mankind in place of wealth. So he going to consider both aspects. First, wealth as well as mankind. Mankind is related with the society. Whatever the social aspects of the society, you can say that every activity of the economics is related with the society. So it comes under the mankind. So second feature, that is called study of ordinary business of life. Alfred Marshall focus only the economic aspects of the human. So do not take the other aspects of the life. That is called, he not going to take the other aspects of the man. That is the first, you can say that social, political, religious, etc. So he do not consider all these activities, but he considered only the economic activities. Third, that is material welfare. My dear student, in economics, material means that the things which have a wealth, you can measure in the form of the wealth, okay, either through the production, either through the equation of the wealth. So Alfred Marshall told that material welfare, here two words, that is the material and another is welfare. Material means the all the things which can be measured in terms of the wealth, and the welfare is related to the society. So this is the second definition which we have got. The features are very important. Come to the criticism. Some points Alfred Marshall is not relevant, so it is comes under the criticism. Alfred Marshall told about only the what? Social science. What is the social science? There are two types of the science: social science and human science. So Alfred Marshall only focused the social science. It means only the social aspects, not about the human science. So it is very tough to say that how the human science and social science. Okay. So in this definition, you have to observe that Alfred Marshall only told about the society and the welfare of the society, only the mankind. So it comes under the limit, you can say, the criticism. Second point, Alfred Marshall classified the economic and non-economic activities of the society. But when we talk about the welfare, okay, my dear student, welfare, the total welfare is not going to find out how much that material welfare. You can also say that when we are going to use the total welfare, we have not easily calculate the material welfare. Now the third point is material aspects. Again, Alfred Marshall not consider all the non-material things like services. Services means doctor, teachers, engineers, etc. These are the services. So Alfred Marshall not considered all the non-material aspects. My dear student, I want to say something regarding this welfare. Okay, welfare means that whatever the government schemes we are getting nowadays, okay, for example old age pension, for example whatever the wages which is given by the government to directly to the worker, okay, all the benefit schemes, just for example employment provident fund, this comes under the welfare of the society. So these are the welfare. So I think you understand this topic. Again I am telling this topic that you have to keep remember the features of Alfred Marshall definitions and criticisms of Alfred Marshall definition. Anything can be asked in your examination. Okay, thank you.